Okay, we are back. This is the entrance to our lot, and this road was already here. So I'm going to turn. So that's the road up there, and that's our neighbor across the way. So if you come down this road, right, and you continue, you're going to see that's our spot. Okay, that is where we are going to build the home. All right, and further down there where the white truck is, that's like our storage and our barbecue spot. So we have the chipper here today, the wood chipper. We rented it for about $218 or $280, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating stacks of chipped wood, and I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like right here. Right, so all this is just what we've done so far. So that's going to be fun. We'll get it started to show you what it looks like. And this here is our neighbor's dog. We don't know the name, doesn't have a collar, but we think he belongs to that neighbor up there. Hey, buddy. He comes over quite a bit. So, yeah, we like having him around. He just tried to get tamales. We have tamales here. Let me see that tamale.
Cherish tamales, $12.83 in Park Road 37.
Free promo. All right, let's get started. All right, here he goes. Where is he taking that? So we're gonna try to chip all this right here. We're gonna put it into that wood chipper, and it is 10:09 right now in the morning. All right, he's bringing it in. Ah! Am I trying to help or? Okay, we're gonna get started. He's about to get it started. I've got our earplugs. I've got my makeshift goggles. Got my gloves, long sleeve pants. The child labor. You know, this is hard work. Right, see, it's hard work. All right, let's get it going. Okay, we are done for the day. We got a little bit done. Those big logs, my husband's gonna burn those, but we need a water source, so. Oh, right here, I got the keys. Here, give them to your dad and give me the car keys. Okay. As I was saying, we're finishing, we're wrapping up. I'm gonna go home. I'm so dirty. This is such a tiring thing to do, but it has to be done. This is certainly a lot more work than I thought it would be, but you know, that's what happens when you want to like do everything by yourself, when you want to clear land and get it all done. I'm waiting for the car keys. All right, so we're heading out to lunch. The weather is a little rainy. We're done for the day. We got to return that chipper by 3. It's like 1 o'clock and we're done. We're so done. All right, guys, see you later. Goodbye.